My butt book. Please take out your pink sight word readers for week 8 and turn to the first reader, the reader for the sight word butt. Please write your name and number on the byline. Make sure to use nice, neat handwriting. This sight word butt is made of 3 letters and 3 sounds. B-U-T, B-U-T. This word is an easy word for us to read because each letter makes the sound we expect it to sound like. That's helpful for us as readers. One thing I want to make sure I point out to you, though, is that this sight word butt is not talking about your bottom, so you don't need to giggle when we read it. This word butt is used to join 2 thoughts together. For example, I want to watch TV, but I can't until I clean my room. 2 ideas are I want to watch TV and I have to clean my room. I can put those 2 thoughts together in one sentence using the word but. I want to watch TV, but I have to clean my room. The word but is a joining word to join 2 thoughts together. Let's start reading. Turn your page. Read after me. I like apples, but not as much as pears. Circle the sight word but. Let's spell the word but. B-U-T, but. Do you see the 2 ideas that are being joined together by this word but? One idea is I like apples. The other idea is I like pears more. Read after me. I like cats, but not as much as dogs. Circle the sight word but. Let's sound out the word but. B-U-T, but. Turn your page. Read after me. I like football, but not as much as track. Circle the sight word but. Let's spell out the word but. B-U-T, but. Read after me. I like night, but not as much as day. Circle the sight word but. Let's sound out the word but. B-U-T, but. Nice reading. I want you to notice, because this sentence is pretty long, it has 2 different ideas in it. To join those ideas together, I have the word but and also a special punctuation mark that's called a comma. Commas are used to join 2 or more things together. In this sentence, it's joining 2 or more thoughts together. I like night, but I also like day. Those are 2 separate thoughts. They could be their own sentences. I like night. I like the day. Instead, the writer has put it together into one sentence. In order for the sentence to make sense, there needs to be a comma in between the thoughts and the word but. Another word that's used to join sentences or ideas and thoughts together is the word and. But and mean opposite things, though. The word and means that you are including it as in also. The word but means that you're comparing the 2 things. You'll learn more about this as you continue to learn how to read and how to write. Let's keep reading. I like ice cream, but not as much as cake. Circle the sight word but. Let's spell the word but. B-U-T. But. Read after me. Make sure you're tracking with your fingers while you read aloud. I like snails, but not as much as frogs. Circle the sight word but. Let's sound out the word but. B-a-t. But. Turn your page. Read after me. I like writing, but not as much as reading. Circle the sight word but. Let's sound out and spell out the word but. B-a-t. But. B-U-T. But. Nice work. Now that we're finished with our reader, I'd like you to take out your My Sight Word Journal and write one sentence using the sight word but, B-U-T. For today's writing, I would like you to copy a sentence from the reader, but you can change if you'd like the things that are being compared. So, for example, I like, and you can write something that you like, and then write a comma and write, but not as much as, and then you can write another word for something that you like more than the first thing you said. You can also copy a sentence straight from your reader if you'd like to. Whatever you choose, make sure that you include the sight word of the day, but, B-U-T. You start your sentence with a capital letter, and you end with a period, an exclamation mark, or a question mark.